Catch. This is the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I think you should buy it. And you should hear me out on this because this is truly a great foldable, a great leap forward in the right direction, a great improvement especially when compared to its predecessor. But I want to start things off with the displays on both the cover display and the inner display on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If you remember last year, it was bad, especially the inner display. You know, the outer display was awesome. At least it was a much more portable. It's a 5.8-inch really wide display, easy for one-handed use. And I loved it, and I really wish that Google did keep like that passport look and feel to it, but they didn't. They went with more of like a OnePlus Open. It's kind of like a conventional smartphone. So it has the same screen size as the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, 6.3 inches, 120 hertz, and 2,700 nits of peak brightness. And it's great. I like it, and I like it more than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I think foldable should have a really good outer display and an inner display. Again, actually phones in general, you're using the display the most. It's part of the phone you use the most, so you might as well have that great display, and you're getting it with the outer display. The inner display is also phenomenal because, especially here in the US, you're getting a super large, the largest out of the three, OnePlus and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. You're getting the largest display out of the three, 8 inches. That's awesome. And it's the largest foldable inner display that I have used. 120 hertz as well, and 2,700 nits of peak brightness. It's been phenomenal. I love using it. I love watching videos on YouTube. Like, it's really great. And if you haven't checked out my Tesla Volt channel, definitely be sure to check it out. Currently at 562 subscribers, and I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get that. Let's make that happen. Definitely be sure to check it out if you want to see more content on Tesla. I don't want to put all of my Tesla content on here on MTG, so that's why I made a dedicated Tesla content or the Tesla channel, so definitely be sure to check it out. But yeah, watching content on this has just been phenomenal, absolutely great. And using it for other things like Gmail, Google Chrome, calling and texting has also been really nice too. Now, for those who ask about the crease, it's visible, it's going to be there, but only if you really look at it at an angle or you really run your finger through it, you really think about it. For me, 99% of the time, I don't really even, it doesn't even come to my mind. I don't think about it. I see it, but it doesn't really annoy me at all. But I just wanted to put it out there. Now, another thing I love about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the battery life. It's getting very good standby time, very good screen on time. 4,605 milliamp hour battery. It's going to easily get you throughout the entire day, even when you use both the inner and the outer display. And if you just want to use the outer display, which by that, if you think about that, then why are you picking up a foldable just using the outer display? But if you do, you know, it's going to last you a little bit longer. But I've been using the outer display, like I open it, it opens flat, absolutely love it. It has a tight, you know, firm grip, really good. And the display itself gets a lot of work done for me. I mean, I like being productive with the Pixel, and the battery life helps with that productivity because I get to use it all day and it has no issues whatsoever, easily pulling in 6 hours of screen on time. The standby time is also really great. It's 38% charge right now. I actually didn't charge it last night at all either, so it's been performing very well. And another reason why I think you should pick up the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the beauty of software. So Pixel UI for me is like no other. I think it's really great. It's clean, it's minimal, and also it's buttery smooth with Tensor G4, 16 gigs of RAM. And some may argue, oh, it's not the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's not the most powerful chipset on the market. That's okay. That's okay because on a day-to-day basis, Tensor G4 has been performing very well with 16 gigs of RAM. But Pixel UI, I personally love it. Again, I don't know what it is, but Pixel UI makes me feel more productive. Like I want to get more work done. Again, that's just me. You may agree with me, you may not, but I'm just putting it out there. But not only that, you're getting 7 years of software updates with Google Pixel devices. So Pixel 9 Pro Fold, even though it comes equipped with Android 14, you're going to get 7 years of software updates. So if you technically use this phone until what, like 2031, you're going to still be getting software updates. That's actually very good. And I can't wait to see how this holds up in 7 years. If you want to see like a 7-year later video type of thing, let me know in the comments down below and we'll see in 7 years. But this phone feels strikingly similar to the OnePlus Open, but with Pixel UI. And if you're like me and prefer Pixel UI over OnePlus's Oxygen OS, you're gonna really appreciate the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But overall, I've really come to enjoy it. I think it's a huge step in the right direction, a huge improvement over its predecessor. And those who argued last year, and I kind of understand because I picked it up too, the original Pixel Fold, it was just like half-baked. I get it. It truly was a half-baked foldable for $1,800, but you're getting such substantial improvements and you're still paying the same price, and now it can fully compete against, you know, the OnePlus Open, against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. You know, there is more of a reason to pick up this foldable. The inner display is just phenomenal. It's my favorite part about it. The largest display, 8-inch display. And if you don't want to carry a tablet, you have a mini tablet right here. Some call it like, oh, it's the same size as iPad mini. That's a little bit larger, has a little bit thicker bezels, 8.3-inch display. But yeah, essentially you are carrying like a tiny tablet in your pocket, and I really do like it. So good job, Google, in that regards. But I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below. Best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. I'll help push my content out to more people. Definitely be sure to check out my wallpaper pack. It's called Urban Glow. I'll be leaving links in the description down below. And also just be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Lots of content is coming very soon, like Pixel Watch. Maybe at the time of this, at the time you see this video, I'll have the Pixel Watch unboxing up. I don't have it right now on hand. It hasn't, well, it's shipped, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm going to be picking up the Pixel Watch 3 45mm. I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are too. That's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.